Hi, everyone, and welcome to your ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Bartlesville, Oklahoma, a surprising gem in the heart of the Osage Hills, where a world-famous skyscraper rises above a backdrop of oil boom history and prairie charm. As the home of Frank Lloyd Wright's only realized skyscraper, Bartlesville offers a unique blend of architectural wonder, Native American heritage, and small-town warmth that rewards curious travelers. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a history buff, or simply seeking an off-the-beaten-path adventure, Bartlesville delivers in ways you might never expect. Let's explore 10 unforgettable experiences in this distinctive Oklahoma city. 1. Tour the Price Tower, Frank Lloyd Wright's skyscraper. The Price Tower is Bartlesville's crown jewel, the only skyscraper ever built by legendary architect Frank Lloyd Wright. Completed in 1956 for the Price Company Oil Corporation, this copper-clad, cantilevered tower rises 19 stories and embodies Wright's vision of vertical living. According to travelers' experiences, a guided tour of the building reveals Wright's genius in every detail, from the original office furnishings to the geometric patterns and the stunning views from the top floor. Don't miss the chance to stay overnight in one of the restored apartment units, now operated as a boutique hotel. 2. Explore the Woolaroc Museum and Wildlife Preserve. Just a short drive from downtown, Woolaroc is a 3,700-acre ranch, museum, and wildlife preserve established by oil magnate Frank Phillips. The museum houses an incredible collection of Western art, Native American artifacts, and Colt firearms, plus a replica of a 1920s aeroplane that completed the first flight from California to Hawaii. From my experience, the Wildlife Drive is a highlight. You can see bison, elk, longhorn cattle, and emus roaming freely across the prairie from the comfort of your car. Pack a picnic and enjoy it at one of the scenic overlooks. The views of the Osage Hills are simply spectacular. 3. Stroll through downtown Bartlesville. The heart of Bartlesville is its revitalized downtown, centered around the stately Washington County Courthouse and the Frank Phillips home. The streets are lined with beautifully preserved brick buildings housing locally owned boutiques, art galleries, coffee shops, and restaurants. You can see how the city's oil wealth shaped its architecture. Ornate cornices, terracotta detailing, and vintage neon signs hint at a prosperous past. Plan your visit for a First Friday art walk, when galleries stay open late and live music fills the streets. 4. Visit the Frank Phillips home. Frank Phillips, co-founder of Phillips Petroleum, built his gracious colonial revival mansion in 1909, and it remained the family home for decades. Today, the home is a museum offering guided tours that take you through elegant rooms filled with original furnishings, art, and personal artifacts. Here is a chance to step into the life of one of Oklahoma's most influential oil barons. The dining room hosted luminaries like Will Rogers, and the sunroom offers a quiet glimpse of family life. The lush gardens surrounding the home are perfect for a peaceful stroll before or after your tour. 5. Hike the trails at Osage Hills State Park. Just west of Bartlesville, Osage Hills State Park offers a rugged landscape of oak-covered hills, rocky bluffs, and clear streams. The park features several hiking trails, including the popular Lake Trail, which loops around a small lake, and the scenic Sand Creek Trail, which follows a babbling creek through a deep canyon. This is the kind of place where you can escape the modern world entirely. Listen for woodpeckers, look for deer at dawn, and breathe in the scent of red cedar and wildflowers. Bring sturdy boots, as the trails include some rocky sections and moderate elevation changes. 6. Discover the Bartlesville Community Center's architecture. While the Price Tower gets most of the architectural attention, The Bartlesville Community Center is a striking modern building in its own right, designed by renowned architect William Wesley Peters, a Frank Lloyd Wright apprentice. The center's soaring lobby, geometric patterns, and excellent acoustics make it a venue for concerts, theater, and community events. You can see how beautiful the place is when sunlight streams through its angled windows, creating ever-changing patterns on the polished floors. If no performance is scheduled, ask at the box office about a self-guided tour of the building's public spaces. 7. Tour the Phillips Petroleum Company Museum. Bartlesville was the birthplace and longtime headquarters of Phillips Petroleum, and the company's museum offers a fascinating look at the history of the oil industry. Exhibits include vintage gas pumps, advertising memorabilia, a replica of an early drilling rig, and interactive displays explaining the science of petroleum refining. According to travelers' experiences, the museum is surprisingly engaging for all ages, with hands-on exhibits that explain how oil shaped modern life. Don't miss the collection of historic Phillips 66 service station signs, some dating back to the 1920s. 8. Walk the paths at Johnstone Park. Johnstone Park is Bartlesville's oldest public park, a lush green space just steps from downtown that features a pond, walking paths, a band shell, and beautiful flower gardens. The park was a gift from John Johnstone, an early settler, and has been a community gathering place for over a century. Here is a perfect spot for a lazy afternoon. Find a bench beneath a shade tree, watch ducks paddle across the pond, and enjoy the peaceful ambiance. During summer, the park hosts free concerts at the band shell. Bring a blanket and settle in for an evening of local music. 9. Experience the Tom Mix Museum. Bartlesville has a surprising connection to Hollywood. Tom Mix, one of the biggest silent film stars and a legendary cowboy actor, lived in the area for several years. The Tom Mix Museum celebrates his life and career with exhibits of his costumes, saddles, movie posters, and even his beloved horse Tony, preserved as a taxidermy display. This is the kind of quirky, unexpected museum that makes small-town travel so rewarding. You'll learn about a forgotten era of American cinema. Plan for about an hour. The museum is small but packed with fascinating artifacts from early Hollywood. 10. Dine at Murphy's Steakhouse and savor Oklahoma flavors. No visit to Bartlesville is complete without a meal at Murphy's Steakhouse, a local institution that has been serving hearty, no-frills meals since 1929. The menu features hand-cut steaks, fried chicken, catfish, and classic sides like fried okra and mashed potatoes. You can see how beautiful the place is in its timeless comfort. Dark wood paneling, red vinyl booths, and the aroma of sizzling beef create a nostalgic atmosphere that feels like stepping into a bygone era. Be sure to order the onion rings. They're legendary among locals and worth the trip alone. And there you have it, 10 unforgettable things to do in Bartlesville, Oklahoma. From marveling at Frank Lloyd Wright's only skyscraper and exploring a wildlife preserve to hiking Osage Hills and savoring a steak at a century-old restaurant.